There goes our shuttle drivers. We are going to be fording a river right away. And it's cold. It's cold. Sturdy Barbie. You're in my video, Sturdy.
I just don't want the wet shoes all day.
How pretty. Yeah. Right. Does it feel cold? Here's the rest of our crew getting ready to go. All right, the crew made it across. Now they're changing out from their wet into their dry. All right, guys, got over that river, no problem. Kind of an easy one, luckily. And that's the only one for today. All right, so I still got my coat on. It's a little bit chilly. Looking forward to a good day. Beautiful trail so far. Well, the whole trail's beautiful, but I should say enjoyable trail. We're gonna have 11 miles of up, but hopefully it'll be gradual. Another beautiful day. Really pretty pine forest. Hello, Appalachian white blaze. The sun's out, poking through here. I'm just thinking how lucky I am again to have this weather, to have the time and the ability to do this. Very lucky. Been hearing this water for a while. So relaxing, guys. It's beautiful out here. Kind of a cool little area. All the trees are dead. Assuming from maybe wind, because they're kind of on that the face of the mountain over there. And we've had a lot of these nice rock steps that people have put in. I really appreciate it. So thank you, trail maintainers. And I'm gonna go that way. All right, I made it to White Cap Mountain, elevation I think 3664. View on the other side, which I'm gonna have my lunch first and I'll go on the other side and take that view, and I'm actually gonna wait for my people too. So I only have like 3 miles to go and it's only like 12:45. I have until like 5. All right, like I've said before, one of the good things about sack packing is you can bring in awesome foods for the day. Having another turkey wrap. Very exciting, guys. And I'm airing out my feet because they were wet, so I gotta dry them off. It's a little bit chilly up here on the mountain, but that's to be expected. The weather's beautiful. Feeling grateful. All right, there's Mama Kay. Well, Katahdin. I'm gonna be there in a few days.
The one without all the trees on top. The biggest one without the trees.
Okay.
We ended up getting the view over here.
Isn't that funny?
I had no idea.
Oh, okay then. We just
Yeah.
extra one.
This is my view from the Appalachian Trail. How lucky am I? Feeling doubly lucky here. With the group I'm with and with the weather. All right, came upon another lean-to. This one's called the Logan Brook Lean-to. Had a nice talk with one of my hiking buddies. We're way ahead of schedule, so we have time just to kind of stroll right now and talk. It's so nice. Just a really nice ending, guys. I'm down to the last mile. Just I'm so happy, feeling very lucky that everything's working out.